Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome, thank you so much for joining us. This is updates, and we haven't done an updates video in a while, and so I had a lot to tell you. First, I have a couple of cards I want to share with you, a couple of cat toys, projects I'm working on, and give me back that washi tape, Missy, and I'll tell you what I'm doing this weekend. Let's start with cat toys, because I think if I move the cat toys, that will help my situation, because I'm getting a lot of assistance in filming this video. When I said I was getting kittens, you guys started giving ideas, and the bird showed up in the mail. I wanted to tell you, this bird is the most popular thing. It is a motion sensor with an off switch, which is a blessing from above. So at night we turn it off. I'm going to turn it on. It's really loud and annoying, but I want you to see what will happen here. Missy, put that washi tape down. It is the most irresistible toy for them, and it will go off when it's motion censored, and they are both watching it. Eliza is now just going to sit on it until it dies and then bite it. They're always trying to kill it. I don't know how much it was. I'm sure Tony got it on Amazon. I would definitely replace this toy if it died. Now I'm going to switch it off. And it's rechargeable. You just take the thing out, I guess, probably so you don't burn down your house. And then I'm going to put it on the floor now. And they love it. It's great. It's noisy at night, though, so you have to turn it off. This one, okay, I can't remember right now who, did this thing make that noise? I don't know. Who recommended this? It's called Fling a String. I'll show you. And it hangs like on a door frame, and the string goes around and it loops. Okay, they love this one, but we've gone through like 3 sets of batteries and we don't even use it that much because it doesn't have a timer. It's on, and then I forget about it. It's not that loud. It's not like the bird. Okay, but see, she loves it. She's playing with the string right now. Zelda is. So I think if you get one of these, the thing that's nice about this is it's not that annoying. It can be like in the room where you watch TV, but you should set a timer every time you turn it on, because we don't remember to turn it off. It's not that annoying, and then the batteries are dead. But they do like it. This string like flips, and it's fun, and it's colorful, and it keeps looping around. And even right now, Zelda's trying to figure out how to get it from me. Eliza's behind me right now playing with the bird that's on the floor, which fortunately is turned off. I also ordered, and I know this sounds crazy, but I want these cats to be indoors, and Eliza was getting a little chunky, which I have changed her wet food because of that. But look at this. I mean, Zelda's so scrawny. Maybe she looks okay on video, but she is a little missy, and she's trying to take all the washi tape. She takes the washi tape, and then Zeus eats them, and Eliza puts them in the water bowl. So we're going through some washi. We don't need more. Don't worry. We have plenty. But I ordered like a hamster wheel for cats. It has arrived. It's 40 pounds, so it's in the garage until Mr. Crafting and Relaxing can come home and deal with it. I opened the box, but it's all like you have to lift 40 pounds, and I just can't do that. So, bummer. It's sitting there, and we'll see. Eliza uses the washing machine as a hamster wheel. And I'm always trying to get her out of it. And she's getting too big to make it work now. So she's frustrated. So I thought, well, I don't know if that'll work, but I'll try it. Random things. Those are all my cat toys. Then let's look at cards. Tony sent me this one. It's a fall card. And it looks like it has some inking and embossing of leaves back there. And then she's got die cuts and some gold pops. It's really cute, huh? And then she sent some really gorgeous leaves in there. A ginkgo. Zeusy, what are you eating? Drop it. Let mommy see. No? Okay. Not gonna let mommy see. All right. There's a lot going on here. Anyway, gorgeous leaves, huh? Remember that embellishments do not have to be expensive. You can make them with a pen and paper. You can go on a walk and get them. Whatever. Oh, that's a good one, Tony. Nice colors. And she probably just pressed them in a big book. Those are from Tony. This is from Christina and Grace, and I cracked up when I looked at this, Christina. I'm glad that I did it off camera, so I was ready and I wasn't just laughing like a crazy person. So she made this card. She said it's a little busy. I like it. I don't think it is a little busy. I think it's pretty great. she commented that she doesn't think that reheating coffee is trashy, and it's okay, and I appreciate that and feel better because yeah, it gets cold, especially when you're crafting and you get sidetracked. Then this is why I was laughing. Okay, prone to shenanigans and malarkey. Some days I amaze myself, other days I put my keys in the fridge. She sent them to me in different colors and different inks, and she was thinking prone to shenanigans and malarkey would be good for pet journals, and I totally agree. Like, imagine that on a page with your puppy or your kittens. Good heavens. So she sent me a bunch of those. So thank you so much to Christina and Grace. I'm trying to figure out, Grace is probably 4? Is she 5 now? I lose track of how long I've had my channel. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Great to hear from you. And again, I love to get your cards. I do not need stuff though. Like, I mean, if you want to share some fun sentiments stamped out, that's fine. But like, don't buy me things, right? I am set. I am really trying to clean my room. Doing great at that. I am going to show you. Okay, so this counter, clean, clean, clean. I did the 30-minute tidy, you know. And that painting, my, what are they called? Command strips, I think had just failed. Maybe they have like a lifespan and then they fall off the wall or something. And that painting's pretty heavy. So Mr. Crafting and Relaxing actually put a nail in my fancy paneling, which is not easy to do, and got that up for me. And then I cleaned the counter. It was full behind that painting too. I had not cleaned up since last year's Christmas cards. So that says something. The year got away from me. And this is just journals, because last year in my plan, this was my mixed media counter, sewing machines right there. These are journals that I've made. I'm doing some improvements, and I had the one where I showed you the ephemera and how you would decorate it. It was maybe not the best video because I had already put some of the ephemera in before you got to see it. And I felt like it was skimpy. So I've been adding to them as I clean up. No, they're not all the same now, the bags, but they have more goodies. This one you'll see in an upcoming video. Ooh, it's a surprise. So that one you haven't seen before. I think that's it. The blue one is gone. It went on its way to its new home. Oh, I've been working on some cool things for scraps. I think you'll probably see that for SOS. There might be a process video. I'm going to do more tonight. Probably after I hit the treadmill. And I was testing out my punch. And then look, this counter is not bad. I mean, for me, whew, we're doing good, huh? That section's not bad. This, of course, is my Christmas table. Hey, buddy, what you eating? Oh, no. No, buddy, we've talked about this. No. Don't eat the washi, even though you're handsome. See? It's a tried and true system. He says, I want it back, Mom. I want it back. Yeah, those aren't for Zeusy. Washi tape isn't for Zeusy. See, we go through them a lot around here. So clearly that one's done. Yeah. I try and give Eliza the ones I don't love or that I have duplicates of, or Zelda, just in case she feeds them to the boy. Are you trying to impress them? Yeah. Yeah, he says, this is my favorite ball. Noni gave me 3 of them, which is good because we lose them a lot. And this is the new favorite all the time. This weekend, I don't imagine I'm going to get this table all cleaned up, but I am consolidating and really working through. This is my, fussy cut and whatever bin, but I've been doing scraps and other things when I watch TV and working on the journals. And I'm really trying to be organized and put these together. Oh, I realized, I hope it's okay with Becky, I didn't put these or the gnomes in the blue journal in the end. I just didn't feel like it worked for where we were going. Oh, I should have put that in. Sometimes I find cute stuff after. But this is my blue journal bin for next year. I'm trying to consolidate. I'm trying to use up some more of that basic gray stuff for the others. I'm hoping this gets more cleaned up as I finish up the Christmas journals, because I think I still have 4 I'm working on. And then this bin will go kind of maybe back the way it is. And then this box doesn't shut. I was thinking I'd put all my supplies and stamps and dies, things you don't use up. I guess you could use up snow pens, but not if you didn't use them at all this year, into a box instead of mixing them in. It gets bad when I get stuff later. Like, don't send me a Happy Mail, or when I find stuff for 50 cents and buy a new die and then I shove it in the box later. See, she's playing with the toy even though it's not doing anything. She knows the string should be doing something. If you're new, this is Zelda. Huh, baby kitty? That's Zeus. And that cutie is Eliza. She's just the most chill, easygoing kitty. She says, yeah, I don't mind that the boy is playing next to me. That's fine. She's gonna knock this box off. She knocks stuff off all the time because she jumps. So I'll keep cleaning this up. My goal is to put things away in an orderly fashion, but I want to avoid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if those journals don't sell, that's 6 boxes of Christmas. Doesn't that feel like a lot? I don't know. We'll see. And then that's assuming I use up all these scraps. Or I don't want to show you any of the stuff I made with scraps yet because you'll see it in a different video. And I don't like to show you like the same stuff over and over. When I did my Christmas journals this year, I didn't even think of my snowflake punch. Barely used stamps. Used a couple dies. Oh, forgot I made clusters. I think I might make clusters of Christmas stuff as I clean up or after I use my scraps for working on, right now I'm making tags, but maybe I'll make a bunch of Christmas clusters and then put them away with my Christmas stuff, as Nancy and I discussed, on top. Hang on. See, I only have one like this, so I don't want her to have that one. So I might do Christmas clusters too. I'm just trying to figure out, like, I don't know what's next. I feel like I'm about Christmased out and it is December 1st. That seems weird to me. I think I'm on a very different schedule than last year. But last year, it looked like Christmas exploded in here. And I think I've done a better job kind of trying to keep it contained on the table and not get it so mixed in. It took me like months to, you'd find snowmen mixed in with pastel stuff and all kinds of things. So this weekend, I'm definitely working on scraps, working on the SOS video at some point probably, because that's on the 7th and it's free choice. So there's definitely going to be a lot of scrap stuff in there and probably counter work. I'm not sure. I might work on the counter some more. I have to get the dies put away because Zelda loves them and she keeps stealing dies. So if I leave a die on the counter, I have to like put a jar over it, put it in a box, something. A loose die cannot be on the counter. Katie and Andrea and I think Noni's busy, so I don't think she's are going to an Etsy show at the fairgrounds near us. I don't know exactly what that looks like. Maybe it's a bunch of people like me who sell on Etsy showing up at the fairgrounds and having a craft fair. I don't know. Sort of hoping there's nothing I need there. But, I mean, I want to go do something with my friends, right? And I've never been, so I don't know. Maybe it'll be ephemera that I just absolutely have to have. We'll see what happens. I don't know what kind of stuff it will be. A while ago, I had a video and I said I was rolling out memberships. It's kind of a new thing on YouTube. It's a couple dollars a month to be a member. And what we're doing is we're doing Zooms once a month. I'm doing lives at least once a month planned. And then sometimes I pop in. And there's more videos. Members see more videos kind of behind the scenes and stuff. And they get first dibs when I make stuff, journals and cards. So if that sounds interesting to you, the link is in the description box below. If you're not interested in being a member, another way to support my channel or any channel that you like is to like their videos, comment on their videos, or share their videos because the algorithm will favor that. I noticed I'm at 9,400 subscribers. I would love to get to 10,000. That would be super exciting. So, if you want to support a channel, just liking videos is a great thing to do for them, and it doesn't cost you anything. I think you do have to actually set up your account though. So if you haven't set up an account and subscribed, that is free. And I was talking to a lady at work. She uses her husband's account. You want your own account, people. I do not like to share with Mr. Crafting and Relaxing because I end up with like stupid things like how to improve your golf swing or the best suitcase around or something like that. No. You want YouTube to know that you want to see craft videos or cats or dogs, something like that. And then it will only show you those. I can tell when Mr. Crafting and Relaxing has grabbed my iPad in a hurry. I don't like it. I hope you are having a great, hang on, I hear chewing behind me. What are you eating? No. No, no, no. Look at that. We went through 2 rolls in one video. Long ago, I had a sweet little Doxy who was just happy as can be. And I had a gray tabby back then too. And actually that's part of why we said we weren't going to get another one, because him and Parker were very similar. And the tabby would take ornaments off the Christmas tree and the dog would eat them when we were gone. And it seems like Zelda and Zeus have a pretty good system going. Now, she is not happy when he eats her toys, but he is quite happy to take her toys and eat them. I saw him take her washi tape one day. You should have seen the look on her face. It was priceless. I should make more videos of them, but it's hard to catch them. Like, Zelda playing with a roll of washi tape is hilarious, but sometimes it's hard to catch. There should have been a camera behind me the whole time, I guess. I do not think that eating washi tape that's probably made in China is very good for Zeus, so trying to get that to stop. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend planned. I'm going to go do fun stuff with the girls. I think Katie's going to bring her stitching over, and we're going to do some stuff in the afternoon. And Mr. Crafting and Relaxing will put together the cat hamster wheel. I'm hoping we can get some fun video of that once it's up and running. On Sunday, we have our Zoom with members. This is the weekend for that. So be watching for that link, members. I will be sure and get that out to you. And you can always ping me on Instagram. I'm not as good at Facebook and Facebook Messenger, and I don't have all my notifications quite right. But you can always find me on Instagram. I'll be back again soon. Bye-bye.